Hey guys, Jordan here, and in this video we're going to be talking about Flambient and HDR, so let's get into it. Alright, on my channel I talk about real estate photography, so if that's a topic you're interested in, then make sure to subscribe. Today's question comes from Snow Soldier, and he says Flambient is miles ahead of HDR when shot correctly in post. I won't even mention the difference in quality. Lightroom presets and Photoshop actions make it even quicker, my friend. 3 times as long. Do you have a video of your Flambient workflow? I'd love to see that. I'm not sure if I've posted it or not to YouTube. I know I have it in my courses, but I want to say that I have posted some video on our Flambient workflow. But yeah, I'm always looking for ways to make my editing process much faster. Essentially, I can explain our Flambient workflow right now. So when we go out to a property, we typically, this is default, right? This isn't all of them, right? So we'll get an ambient shot at 0, and we'll get a flash shot at 0 of the room, and we'll also get a window or a shot exposing for the window if there is a window in the shot, flashed onto the shot. So then what we do, we layer them. Right, so typically bottom layer is ambient, and then flash, or it depends which one is closer to the end product, right? Whichever one's closer, we'll put it on the bottom. Then we'll stack them up. We'll do a layer mask and bring in the spots that we want. And then depending on what the shot was, a lot of times we'll use dark mode because we'll flash the outside of the windows, and then it'll just bring in the detail from the windows. And that's typically how our workflow is. But if any of those processes might be automated somehow through Photoshop actions, I'm very curious to know. Maybe that would be awesome to see what your workflow is, because I've seen, most people's Flambient workflows are similar to ours, and I've always, I don't want to just see the same thing over and over again. I would like to see somebody that does it differently or uses systems to get to the end product faster, right? So if you could take ambient or a Flambient shoot and create the end product as fast as HDR or that HDR merge does in Lightroom, and that kind of flow, man, that would be amazing. But I'm always testing different softwares. At least once or twice a year I sit down and see, okay, what tools are available out there for editing real estate photography, and I'll test them. Typically they all come short when it comes to like library and managing multiple photos, and that's a problem with that you run into, especially with real estate when you're managing a whole heck of a lot of photos. So if it's very sluggish, which has been my experience with many editing softwares, then I'll just stay with what I got, which is Lightroom. So anyways, I'm curious to see what your workflow is, and maybe there's something in the Photoshop actions, which I'm currently not using, that would speed up the process. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you got value, hit the like button. And if you use Photoshop actions, leave your, what you use those for in the comments below. I'm curious to learn from you guys that may be using a slightly different Flambient method than I am, that might make my method a little bit faster. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.